If you're planning a cruise to Alaska and don't know where to start, this video is for you. We've put together the perfect 7-day Alaska cruise itinerary to help you experience the best ports, excursions, and natural wonders the last frontier has to offer. From glaciers and whales to historic frontier towns, this journey is pure magic. Why Alaska? Alaska is one of the most unforgettable cruise destinations on Earth. You'll witness towering glaciers, misty fjords, snow-capped peaks, and wild animals, all from the comfort of your ship. It's the kind of trip where every day feels like you're inside a documentary, but it's all real. If you've never cruised Alaska before, trust me, this one is for the bucket list. This is what you're going to want to pack. Alaska's weather can change in an instant, so packing right is the key. You'll want to bring waterproof layers, a good pair of hiking boots or walking shoes, a warm hat and gloves, even in the summer, binoculars because wildlife is everywhere, a decent camera, and this is not a trip to rely on just your phone, and yep, a swimsuit. Most ships have hot tubs with glacier views, and trust me, you'll want to use them. Oh, and don't forget motion sickness bands, just in case. Better to have them than need them. This is what your day one should look like for your trip to Alaska. Your journey begins in Seattle or Vancouver, depending on your cruise line. Once on board, explore the ship, unpack, and get familiar with the layout. As you sail away, grab a drink on the deck and enjoy your first sunset at sea. The Inside Passage is up next, and it's going to blow you away. Day 2 is all about the scenic cruising through the Inside Passage, a narrow waterway framed by lush forests and snow-dusted mountains. Keep an eye out for bald eagles, sea lions, and even humpback whales. Use the day to relax, enjoy the spa, explore onboard dining, or simply sit outside and let Alaska unfold in front of you. Your first port is Juneau, and this is day 3. The remote capital of Alaska, and it's only reachable by sea or air. Most visitors start with the Mendenhall Glacier, a massive river of ice just 12 miles from downtown. You can hike right up to the base, kayak near the icebergs, or take a guided tour inside an ice cave if conditions allow. It's like being on another planet. If you prefer wildlife, book a whale watching tour. You'll cruise through the bay looking for humpbacks, orcas, and sea lions. The best tours get you close without disturbing the animals, and yes, the whales do breach. For the best views in town, ride the Mount Roberts Tramway, 1,800 feet above sea level. From the top, you can hike a short nature trail or just take in the sweeping views of the city, mountains, and cruise ships below. If you're staying local, head to one of Juneau's craft breweries or visit the Alaska State Museum. You'll find exhibits on native cultures, natural history, and the gold rush era. It's surprisingly impressive. Now on day 4, we have Skagway, a gold rush boomtown that still feels frozen in time, with wooden sidewalks, false front buildings, and mountains towering over the harbor. This place looks like a movie set, because it practically is. The most popular excursion here is the White Pass and Yukon Route Railway, a narrow train that climbs nearly 3,000 feet in elevation, hugging cliffs and crossing sky-high trestles. It's the same route gold seekers once used back in 1898, but now you get to ride in a cozy rail car with panoramic views of valleys, waterfalls, and glaciers. If you want to stay in town, walk right off the ship and into Skagway's wild past. Stop by the Red Onion Saloon, once a real working brothel. Now a quirky bar and museum with creaky floors and velvet furniture and stories you won't believe. There's also the Trail of the 98 Museum and plenty of shops selling local art, gold nuggets, and yes, axe-throwing bars if you're feeling bold. Feeling active? Hit the Lower Dewey Lake Trail for an easy to moderate hike that takes you to a lake with unbelievable views. Or go bigger with a guided trek into the alpine backcountry. Just make sure you bring layers. Whatever your style, Skagway gives you the perfect mix of wild history and jaw-dropping scenery. Next up, day 5. And day 5 is a big one, Glacier Day. Depending on your cruise, you'll visit either Glacier Bay or Hubbard Glacier. The ship moves slow and quiet through icy waters and the scenery gets more unreal by the minute. You'll be surrounded by massive glacier walls, some of them hundreds of feet high. It's calm, it's cold, and when a chunk of ice falls into the water, you'll feel it. People line the railings with coffee and cameras bundled up in jackets and blankets. It's one of those moments where everyone just goes quiet and soaks it in. If you're gonna wake up early for any day, it's gotta be this one. Day 6, you'll stop in Ketchikan, a small coastal town surrounded by rainforests and steeped in native Alaskan heritage. Start your day with a stroll down Creek Street, a boardwalk built over a salmon-filled stream and lined with colorful houses and quirky shops. It used to be a red light district back in the day, but now it's one of the most charming places to explore. If you're into culture, check out the Totem Heritage Center to see some of the oldest preserved totem poles in the world. It's quiet, powerful, and worth a visit. Want something more adventurous? Book a float plane tour over the misty fjords. You'll fly over waterfalls, cliffs, and lakes that look untouched. It's the kind of beauty you can't explain, only feel. And if you're just looking to relax, grab a seat by the water and try the fresh salmon or halibut tacos. This town knows how to cook. Ketchikan may be one of your shortest stops, but it leaves a lasting impression. Your final day is spent at sea, making your way back to Seattle or Vancouver. It's a slower pace and honestly, it's kind of nice. Grab a coffee and watch the horizon. Walk the deck one more time, maybe hit the spa, or just sit and scroll through your photos. This is the day where it all sinks in. Most ships offer a farewell dinner or evening show, so take advantage of it. Pack what you can, soak in the last sunset, and enjoy that final moment before real life kicks back in. After a week of glaciers, wildlife, and wild history, you've earned a quiet day like this. Now, if you're still deciding which cruise line to go with, here's a quick breakdown. Princess and Holland America are known for offering a more relaxed, scenic experience. They've got naturalists on board, educational talks, and more time in port. Great for couples and retirees. Royal Caribbean and Norwegian lean bigger, with more entertainment, restaurants, and onboard action. Think zip lines, comedy shows, and water slides. Better if you're traveling with teens or want that resort vibe at sea. And then there's Disney, which of course is perfect for families with young kids. Incredible service and top tier entertainment. Every cruise line sails through the same Alaska, it just depends on how you want to experience it. We hope you guys enjoyed this travel video, and we hope to see you in the next Barjack's travel video.